today, you know, this setup is weird. I'm sorry if the camera's shifting because I don't have a camera mount. Today, I wanted to take you guys with me because I'm going shopping to get some garden supplies. As you can see from the title of this video, that's what I'm going to be starting, a whole new garden series. In the area that I live in, there's not a whole lot of room for me to do stuff with gardening. There's like a little plot because I still live with my family. I could be living in my own apartment and everything, but I'm saving money. Yeah, so the area that the house that we live in, our subdivision, I don't think we can just, you know, take a huge plot of land in our backyard and make that our garden. We kind of have like this little area that I can use for gardening, which we use usually. And then several little pots, you know, big pots, smaller pots. So that's gonna help. I think a lot of the garden's gonna be potted plants. Okay, yes, like I mentioned, I'm gonna have several potted plants. So the type of plants, what type of plants do I want to do? I think, you know, definitely tomatoes and peppers. We always have really good yield with those plants. But also cantaloupe. You know, I had a request for cantaloupe because we tried growing some this past season, and we actually got a few. So, yeah, I'm gonna do cantaloupe again this year, and then I think I'm also gonna try like some peas, strawberries, just, you know, different fruits and vegetables, of course some herbs, basil and mint if I can. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So I want to take you guys along for the journey and show you the progress. Hopefully I'll have some good footage and some good things for you guys to take away and add to, you know, your knowledge if you are into gardening or something that you want to try. And yeah, I'm getting ready. I'm pulling into Walmart right now, so. Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple of days for me shopping and not really finding much, but I did pick out the seeds that I wanted to put in my garden, and I have somebody here with me.
Hi guys, it's me.
So there was like a seed package that we purchased a while ago, and it had a bunch of fruit and vegetable seeds in there, and so I just picked some out that I want to incorporate in my garden for this year. You want to walk us through the different types? We can start with the fruits.
Okay.
These are the ones that my brother actually picked out, so he's gonna explain to you what they are.
Okay, well, this one is
Wait. Camera's not focusing. There we go.
Okay, so on fruits we have melon, tomato, Ace 55, tomato, large red cherry.
Yes, so I know this year I definitely wanted to do 2 tomato plants, and then there was a request to do a cantaloupe, so we got that going too. What do we got for vegetables?
We have peas, sugar snap, carrot, Danvers, lettuce, romaine, pepper, Canada Wonder.
That's probably California Wonder.
Pepper, hot jalapeno.
Yes. So, yeah, I wanted to try, you know, just to do a variety. So, we got a good variety of vegetables. Peppers are always pretty easy. And last but not least, the herbs.
Okay, over here we have
oregano,
Italian classic, and alfalfa, sprouts, organic.
Why does this want to go out of focus every 5 seconds? And cilantro, coriander.
And last but not least, thyme.
Yes, thyme. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be trying out. You know, my little garden experiment. Hopefully it all goes as planned, but you guys are going to be here along for the journey to see how my garden progresses. And these are the fruits and vegetables and herbs that I wanted to choose. So stay tuned for the next segment.